So while you're doing a batch production, besides the presets which are already there as default, you can also make your own custom presets. So let's see how we can exactly do that inside of Camtasia. So for that, let's go to File and then let's go to Batch Production. And over here in the Batch Production, I'm just going to select out the files that I want to export, just like this. So once I hit Next, what happens is that I can select the preset, or I can select different presets for different projects. But over here, if you were to go to Preset Manager, you can create your own custom preset as well. So let us just go over here and click on New. So over here, you can see that you can work around with the preset name right here. So I'm just going to say TutorTube preset right here, just like this. So the file format for it is going to be MP4 itself. And I'm going to go around. I can also choose icon to distinguish it, but I'm just going to skip that out and I'm going to hit Next. So I can choose whether to keep the smart player or not. So I'm just going to hide out the smart player. That is, I don't need the smart player. And I can add in the size over here. So it says use editing dimension, but I don't want to use editing dimension. Let's say I want this to be 1920, that is full SD right here, by 1080p right here, 1080 right here. So this is going to be my aspect ratio, which I'm going to use for the video. And in the video settings, let's say the quality is going to be very high right here. So it's more than 75%, as you can see. And I can work around with the frame rate, and let's say that I want to export it out as 60 frames per second, just like this. And I can go around with the profile as well. So I can go around with high S.264 profile for better quality as well. Of course, the audio settings as well. I'm just going to increase this out into 320. So let's say this is a very high quality preset that I'm going to make. Then I can hit Next, add in watermark if I want to, but I'm not going to keep any. I'm just going to skip this and I'm going to press Finish. And you can see that now TutorTube preset is there, just like that. So I'm just going to close that around. And over here, if I were to go, you can see that TutorTube preset is now available. So you can go around and use a different production preset, and you can see that TutorTube preset is there. I can simply select out different presets and TutorTube preset right over here, which is 60 frames per second and is high quality. And that is how you can batch export using the custom preset settings inside of Camtasia, just like that. You can make your own custom presets and then export it out. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.